So, Mature Movers makes finding and accessing group rehabilitative exercise quick and easy for people over 60. So, there are lots of problems in healthcare, and one of the biggest problems is managing chronic health conditions, specifically for people over the age of 60. Now, the primary cause of most of these chronic health conditions is physical inactivity. And just to put it into perspective, chronic health conditions lead to a loss of physical independence and 1 in 6 deaths. And additionally, £50.5 billion of the NHS budget is spent on managing chronic health per year. We also explored some research which discussed physical activity with 68 over 60-year-olds. And they helped us identify 3 main reasons as to why most over 60s are not participating in regular physical activity. 1, the process of accessing the exercise classes was too challenging. Number 2, they were unable to find appropriate classes. And number 3, lack of enjoyment whilst exercising. So Mature Movers solves this problem by enabling older adults to find and access the growing supply of appropriate group exercise classes quickly and easily. So my name's Rosaria Barreto, and I have worked with over 1,000 older adults in the clinical health and social care sector. I have a background in domiciliary care, private and public healthcare. I've worked within the NHS, and I have been providing physical activity services to a broad range of long-term health conditions over the last 6 years. This positions me in a very strong position because not only do I understand that there is a need for what we are doing, but I really understand user behaviour. My background is that I've got a BSc in clinical exercise and fitness management. I'm a personal trainer, and I've been able to have the absolute privilege of working with so many individuals suffering with a plethora of long-term health conditions. In my first company, I was able to identify that this was a huge problem and that finding solutions was incredibly difficult. I have full capacity to work on this full time, and I am slowly but gradually building an amazing supportive team around me who really believe in this cause and the ambitions that Mature Movers can achieve.